Hey guys, Melissa here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to have some more fun with washers. I want to incorporate some hammered washers in with these donuts here. I'll just do 3 of them. Let's see what I can do. I think washers would look good with a donut, but first we need to hammer them out. So the size I'm using looks to be 18 millimeter. My tool list and materials will be down in the description if you want to check it out. These I got on Amazon, so the link will be there as well. Here are my washers. I think the first thing we need to do is hammer them out. So I had to go outside for this video because some people inside are still sleeping. Okay, so my washers are all hammered. The first one I'm gonna make really simple. I'm just gonna wrap it in my leather cord. Here I've got 2 millimeter brown leather cord, cut off like 18 inches. I'm just gonna find the center by folding it in half. Feed the center through my donut, and then feed your ends through. All right, so how simple is that? Just tie on a cord. The washer gives it a little bit of bling. Finish off your cord ends and make a necklace. Okay, for this next one, I'm gonna take some 20 gauge round wire, and I'm gonna make a design pretty similar to what I've made before with my copper washers. I cut off about 12 inches. That should give me plenty to work with. And I'm gonna start off by making a small loop. Make your loop to a size that would look nice on the washer. I kind of make a bend in it first. Feed it through the washer. And then start wrapping it around the washer. Nice and snug. I'm going to go about 3 times around the washer alone. Now start incorporating the donut. I think 2 times around would be fine for that. I always like to grab it with my nylon jaws so I can get a good grip on it. Okay, so you're gonna have it coming up the back. And next I'm gonna make my half loop for the bail. Just like that. And then just come through and mirror this design on the other side. Wrapping it around the washer on this side will be a little more difficult. Trying to get it tight. One more time around. I think that'll be enough for my swirl, so I'm gonna start making it. I can always trim off a little more if need be. And with this being solid copper wire, these nicks I put into the wire I can buff out at least. Okay, that's the back, that's the front. A little different take on that one design. All right, so this last one I'm gonna make more advanced. So I have a simple, kind of intermediate. This one's more advanced. It's advanced for me too, by the way. So I've got 3 lengths of 20 gauge for my base wires, and then I'm gonna use 26 gauge for my weaving wires. And I'm gonna try a snake weave, and I'll do right in the center here. Okay, so I'm gonna weave about 2 inches in the center here. So I got a clamp on it. So my weaving wire, I'm gonna pull out about arm's length, 3 or 4 feet, that should be sufficient. We'll find the middle of this weaving wire, fold the weaving wire in half, loop it around the middle wire, but bring your ends underneath the outer wires. You just go back and forth, kind of like a braid. Let's see, we'll bring this bottom guy up and over the bottom 2. This upper wire down and over the top 2. This one up and over, this side down and over 2. This one out of the way, this one up and over the bottom 2, bring it down. This one down and over the top 2 and bring it up. Okay, this one up and over the top 2, bring it down. This top one down and over the top 2, bring it up. Okay, so that's shaping up to look like something. It was a little loose at first, but we're tightening up here. Down and over. This one down and then up. This one up and then down. Down and up and down. Down and up. Up and down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and weave off camera till I get 2 inches. Okay, so here's 2 inches of the snake weave that I finished. My 2 ends I finished off on the top and bottom wires, just 3 times around. I'm going to take my clamp off and see what I can do with the donut here. First I'm just going to make my bail. Okay, a lot of extra wire here. I'm sure we can figure out something to do with it. Since I have these 2 wires coming up the back, I think I'm going to weave them together in a 5 and 2 type of pattern for as long as my weaving wire lasts. Pull that one around tight. Pull this one through as well. There we go. So now I'm just trying to figure out some swirls and what would look nice. Just bring it to the back. That looks kind of cool. Why not? Instead of going down this way, I'm going to go up the bail, make some swirls, come down the bail as so. Cut that off and finish these off somehow. Ah, no. Okay. Pulled a little too hard. Cut that off, make a swirl. This one off here and make a swirl as well. This one's getting a little out of control, so I want to finish it somehow. This guy that I partially wove, I think I'm just gonna finish off back here with something to hide these swirls. I don't want the swirls getting caught on anything. So I think I'm gonna cover them up. Hopefully this isn't too obnoxious. Cut these off and kind of try and see if we can tuck them in. Cut them shorter. What the heck am I doing? You're probably wondering that too. What the heck are you doing? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, twirl that one up tight. How about if we just tuck you in behind and we'll kind of press that swirl down. There, that's better. These I should probably tack down, huh? Tack it down with like some 28 gauge, just for fun. Snip off a few inches of 28 gauge. I just feel like I need to tack this down. We're almost done, I promise. Snip off that excess and tuck it behind. Should probably do right in there too. Okay, well that one turned out kind of crazy, right? All right, let me get these guys oxidized and I'll show you the final product in a bit. All right, guys, here they are. I have I oxidized these two. This one I left bare. This is how they turned out. Buffed them out a little bit as well. So I was thinking this one is kind of two-sided. You can wear it either way. Simple, extravagant, whatever. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you really liked this video. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.